Okay. This is breaking news now. The number of the train was 68, and it hit off a pickup truck off the tracks, and it was breaking news. And the breaking news was very bad. When they call ambulance, cops, ambulance, and other people of the fire service. And this is very breaking news. And the breaking news is going to be on TV, and I can tell you. Dan for the breaking news.